Staged collision cases are hard to crack without a cooperating witness. The participants know each other, they coach each other's stories, and they are not volunteering anything. But ring members come and go, and former participants who are no longer inside the scheme are often willing to talk. Our investigation team locates cooperating witnesses and former participants in staged accident rings, so your SIU can get the corroboration you need to build the case. We run associate searches and location traces to surface current addresses and verifiable contact paths for witnesses identified from prior related claims, law enforcement reports, or your investigation file. All research is conducted through lawful public records and skip tracing methods. We give you the facts. You and your counsel decide how to use them. Carriers and SIU firms nationwide trust us to find the witnesses that make ring prosecutions possible. We return locates in 24 hours or less at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. If you have a staged accident case that needs witness corroboration, place your order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com today. Build the case that sticks and subscribe for more on insurance investigation research.